Hello guys, today we will discuss how can we send email with using SQL Server and with using Gmail account. Okay, let's open the SQL Server. First of all, we will active DB mail in our SQL Server. Okay, and we will execute this query. Just need to copy these queries and paste. No, I will attach with these queries with description. Okay, execute this query and second step. Uh, you need to create add a mail account name here and email which will you will use for sending emails or password. If you are using two-step authentication, you need to create a password. Okay, otherwise if you will use simple password, it will give you authentication error. Let me tell you how can we create a password. Go to the menu your Google account and go security. In security, you can see two-step verification. Open it and login your account. And after login, you can see app key password. And you will open it and create password, create app password, and that password you can use here for authentication. Okay, and let me execute the second query. I already copy some queries here. Let me copy other queries. You just need to copy and paste. This is the test profile. I write the profile name, execute and execute this one. We will link the profile name with the account and copy this and paste and execute. After we will copy email sending query. Here we will we will add email in which we want to send email. Okay, and subject and body. We can send HTML in body and design our email, but here we are sending simple email. So in text base. So let me execute it and let me see what's happened. It is in queue. Let me see with query what's happened. We sent two emails here, first one and second one. Let me check the status. Status. This is sent. Okay, mean status successfully sent. Let me check in my email which I added here and let me check in important, not received here and not received here. What is the issue? Let me see. Sorry, I not add here Gmail. Let me add Gmail and execute it again. Okay, it is in also in queue. Here I can see the first one, the latest one, and the status is unsent. Let me check what is the issue again. Now it is status is sent. Okay, let me see in my Gmail. Now I receive the email, same email. This is the latest, this is the test email from SQL Server. Okay, this is how we can send email from SQL Server with using Gmail. Okay.